Hi, welcome to Frank Adams' 40 Acres Farm Tour. We are on Highway 18 south of McMinnville today on a farm tour with 40 Acres, one of our most trusted and amazing flower growers. We thank you for joining. We're looking at some dahlias right here. We have our whole Frank Adams crew with us. We're gonna head over here. I'm gonna swing back around really quick so we can see a little bit of sunflowers. They're picking from these rows this week, so I apologize in advance if I don't get to see your comments. I can't see my screen very well, but I'm gonna try. So sunflowers right here, and I'm swinging back over. Thank you for joining. We're on a farm tour at 40 Acres in McMinnville, Oregon. Looks like we have some Queen Anne's lace and some sweet peas. A little bit of Matsumoto aster. Thank you for joining. We have the Frank Adams crew with us. Here's Eric from 40 Acres. Periscoping. Great, we have 13 people with us. Thank you for joining. Like I said, I'm having a hard time reading the comments because I can't see my screen. It's a little dark, but please enjoy the tour as we walk through the fields here. We have some cosmos. Tammy's going to go ahead and pick her orders straight out of the field today.
One stem at a time. What do you call this color?
We'll take that for salmon. We'll take that for coral.
Around long enough, we'll get enough.
We sure do love the zinnias here.
Cherry Queen.
Like 6 bunches.
Yeah, I got them.
That's only 60 of them?
Let me see if I can skip over here and see what's going on. It looks like I can see some status. Yeah. What a treat. We get to come right out to the flower farms. Some white status.
Here's my peach that I needed.
Looks like they're still picking for today.
Yeah, peach status. We need, what, how many? Just one bunch. Is it one
You need
bunch? We can pick one.
2, I think.
We only need one. But
Ask-
then we go down the road
ask
and get
him.
one good bunch.
Looks like they're moving some irrigation. We get to see behind the scenes.
It's so pretty.
Isn't that beautiful, white status?
All right, well, you're such a good gunner.
Moving some
Now
irrigation.
you're tomorrow.
We are south of McMinnville off Highway 18 at 40 Acres. One of the best flower farmers in Oregon. Looks like some more status right here. Eric,
Yes, ma'am.
so are they planted different weeks apart so that you get blooms all summer
The
long?
zinnias are all planted at the same time, and luckily when you cut them, it shoots 2 more stems, and it just keeps going. As
So
much as
cutting
you can
them, cutting them grows more flowers.
Yes, ma'am. Like you can see all these ones right here, they're already deadheaded. In a couple days, they'll all be blooming again.
That's great.
Especially with hot weather. They like hot.
So how long does it take after you cut to get new flowers off of the plant?
Couple days.
Wow.
Yeah.
So they're ready to cut like within a week, maybe?
Yes, ma'am. And 1 out of every 10 will take to market.
Wow.
You know,
They're
it
very
takes a
selective about
trained
what they
eye.
bring.
I can't do it. We got to have the pros out here.
Walking through the sunflowers.
Our customers the control they need too.
Right.
Sure.
Yeah.
We're with Erik and Jordan here with 40 Acres. And I'm going to show you a little view down the sunflower aisle here. What a treat.
Seed for next year as well then?
No, all the hybrids.
Nope. I do have one company, the Universal Seed, which
I apologize in advance if I don't get to see your comment. The screen is a little dark here, but hopefully you're getting a nice view behind the scenes at your local flower farm. Some guys are out here picking. Looks like they're getting ready to pick some amaranthus. These rows are done. Looks like they've cleaned up. That looks like white Matsumoto asters here, or soon to be.
Oh, and there's our euphorbia we're getting tomorrow.
Look at this view. This is the office. This is the office at 40 Acres. Looks like some euphorbia marginata, snow on the mountain. being harvested here?
Yeah, everything on this side's perennial. And then everything over here every single year. And annual, we rip them out and replant them.
There you go.
And that's why I'm always asking, what do you need? What do you need?
Now, do you have to cover this in the winter?
Nope.
No.
Just the dahlias.
Buplorum, popular filler flower this year. Love this upright amaranthus with the dark foliage. It is beautiful. Ooh, and there's some hanging amaranthus. This will be a treat. We're almost up here. Look at the hanging amaranthus down that row. Amazing. I don't think I've ever seen it growing. Have you, Tammy?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Do you have it in your yard?
No, I don't. This is one thing I don't have on my. My neighbor down the street, though, has big bushes.
Love lies bleeding.
Yep.
It's so pretty. Red dreadlocks. It's so cool. I have Gina from Frank Adams with us today, and she's taking some still shots, so we'll make sure we get lots of pictures up on Facebook as we go through here. Beautiful Queen Anne's lace. We're watering. It's like they're watering some dianthus over here. Oh, look at the billy balls. They look so Dr. Seussian growing here. Ooh, pretty. Oh, thank you for the love. So beautiful. Oh, and we're headed up on some lupin. Beautiful lupin. Look at that. It looks like watercolors.
They're actually growing.
I thought I was going to keep this broadcast to about 4 minutes. There's no way.
Yeah, actually, I have to.
Thank you for joining. We're on a farm tour today with 40 acres. South of McMinnville.
I should have covered that.
Yeah, Eric, we know you have it. I
That's
did.
an anomaly. We don't grow that.
I did ask him. That's funny. We have all the cut flower salespeople with us today, and they're seeing stuff they had on order. So they're asking, how come they couldn't have theirs today? Well, now they can see it's not ready. Beautiful. Looks like we have some corn, a little bit more amaranthus. And I'm not sure what this is, but it's barely coming up. So it looks like they've planned nicely to have fresh cut flowers for us all summer this year. The life of a farmer. Thank you so much for joining. We are going to be headed to Swan Island Dahlias next. And we'll be broadcasting again from there. Look at this beautiful hillside.
No, I need his. We need his. My peppertins are yours. Oh, we take his. Yeah.
They're beautiful. It's not the right color.
Yeah. She goes, I want this is my 14 list for tomorrow.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of 40 acres with your local flower farmers.
So is this the